Greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, we'll see how to generate and understand the stock aging report in Axanta ERP. The stock aging report is a powerful tool that helps you analyze how long your inventory has been lying in stock, either by quantity or by value. This report plays a crucial role in making informed decisions about slow-moving and fast-moving items, helping you optimize your future stock planning. Please note that stock aging is calculated based on the purchase date of the products. This means the report reflects how long the stock has been held since it was purchased. To generate this report, click on Menu. Go to the Inventory module. Navigate to Reporting. And click on Stock Aging Report. Here, you can choose to view the report by quantity or by amount. For this example, we'll generate the report by quantity. The report allows you to define custom aging intervals. For example, if you want to analyze stock in 90-day intervals, you can enter Column A, 0 to 90 days. Column B, 91 to 180 days. Column C, 181. 270 days. Column D, 271 days and above. This helps you clearly identify how long your inventory has been sitting in stock. You can further refine your report by applying filters such as warehouses, products, product categories or subcategories, departments, divisions, and so on. Kindly note, if you are generating the report warehouse-wise, you'll notice that the Include Transfer option is enabled by default. This is important because some warehouse locations may not receive stock directly through purchases. Instead, stock reaches them via internal transfers. In such cases, the stock aging is calculated based on the transfer date, ensuring accurate aging data. Once you've set all the required criteria, click on View. This is the report. Here you can see the product name, product model, if applicable, on-hand quantity. Then here is the cost amount, which is calculated based on the current average cost of the product. Here are the interval column which we have set. For example, this is a product which has 102 quantities on hand. You may see that 22 units fall under the 91 to 180 days category. You may see that 20 units fall under the 181 to 270 days category. And these 60 units are more than 271 days old. So, this gives you a clear picture of how long your inventory has been held. You can also add or remove additional fields as required. And if needed, the report can be exported for further analysis or sharing. This is how you can effectively use the stock aging report in Axanta ERP to monitor inventory health, identify slow-moving stock, and make smarter inventory decisions.